If you're a CSU junior or senior with a GPA of 3.0 or higher, you don't have to wait to try graduate-level coursework. Eligible undergraduates can take up to 9 credits of 500-level graduate courses while still completing their bachelor's degree. These courses place you right in a graduate-level learning environment, so you can experience the pace, expectations, and depth of graduate study firsthand and decide whether it's something that aligns with your interests and goals. Those credits apply to your undergraduate degree now, and with program approval, they may count toward a CSU graduate degree or certificate for up to 10 years. It's a low-risk way to see if graduate school is right for you and keep your options open without extra cost beyond undergraduate tuition. To get started, explore CSU graduate coursework and talk with your advisor about eligible 500-level coursework.